Hey kids, good morning. Welcome to the online class. I hope you're all safe there. Today we will see something new. Let's start. Topic: Water animals. Water animals are usually known as marine animals or sea animals. Water animals live and swim in water. Some of the water animals are fish. Fish lives and breathes in water. Crab. Crabs have 10 legs. Prawn. A prawn is a small shellfish with a long tail and many legs, which can be eaten. Octopus. Octopus are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes, and 8 long arms. Jellyfish. They come in many shapes, size, and colors. Starfish. They are also known as sea stars. They have 5 or more arms. Seahorse. Seahorse are tiny fish that are named for the shape of the head, which looks like the head of horse. Blue whale. The world's largest animal, but it eats only tiny fishes in the sea. Dolphins. It's a friendly fish. Sea turtle, sometimes called as marine turtles. So you now know what are water animals. Water animals names: fish, crab, prawn, octopus, jellyfish, starfish, seahorse, blue whale, dolphins, sea turtle. That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.